Zendrop Shopify Dropshipping step-by-step tutorial. Hello everyone, on this video I'm going to show you how you can use Zendrop on your Shopify Dropshipping store. Then I will guide you first on how to create your account on Zendrop and customize your account, then how to link your Shopify store with the Zendrop. Then the last thing, I will give you a simple process how to easily dropship and import product from Zendrop or AliExpress to your Shopify store. So make sure to finish this video until the end to be clear understanding how easily use Zendrop as a dropshipper. So without no more talking, let's get started. First guys, open your Shopify dashboard. Then after creating your account on Shopify and verify it with your email address or phone number, I will show you two methods to create an account on Zendrop. First, you just go to and open a new browser. For example, just at the search bar tap Zendrop. Then it will take you directly to the Zendrop website, and you can easily log in by adding your email address. Hit on login at the top. Then guys, by adding your email, an existing email address and the password and login. And there is another method to go to your Shopify and at the bottom hit on settings. Then guys, hit on settings. Then first go directly to your apps and sales channel. Then guys on the top hit on Shopify App Store. Then I will show you how easily create and link your Shopify store with the Zendrop with the easy method. First, in the search bar tap Zendrop. Zendrop Dropshipping POD. As you see guys, this is the Zendrop Dropshipping POD. It's a popular application for dropshipping on Shopify. Then guys, when you scroll down, it gives you the free plan available. Its products and shipping cost, access to 1 million product guys, unlimited import to your store, and 24/7 support. Then guys, hit on install to install the application on your Shopify store. It's very easy to add this application on your Shopify. Then hit on install to link your Zendrop application by using the same email address on your Shopify to the same email address. Then guys, you need to add your email address, then the password. Then after creating your account on Zendrop, then automatically you need to link your Zendrop application, your Zendrop account to your Shopify store. For example, just go to your Shopify store and hit on online store, then hit on general, then go to edit. For example, my name store, for example, all new switch. Then okay, then guys, go back to your Zendrop and reload. Now guys, your Shopify store was linked successfully to your Zendrop. Then guys, I will explain you how to use the Zendrop website or application. Then go directly to your dashboard section on the left side. This is the dashboard, how fulfilled orders and the sales and the cost. Then everything you need on and everything you got from the Zendrop, it will be appear on the dashboard. Then guys, go directly to find the product on the left side. Then guys, if you want to find the product, just scroll and select which product that you want to use and to import it to your Shopify store. Then just add to my product, it will appear directly to my product. Then guys, if you want to import product from AliExpress but you need to buy a plan on Zendrop, just hit on request product. Then you need to buy the plus plan on Shopify on Zendrop with the $79 per month. Then you can easily and you will give access automatically to import product from AliExpress. As you see guys, if you want to import product from AliExpress to Zendrop, then you need to upgrade to plus plan. They're not plus members yet, just click here to start the free 7 days. Then after you need to buy $79 per month to buy a plan on Zendrop. Just if you want to buy a plan, just go to upgrade a plan in the bottom and left. Then it will take you directly to buy the plus plan with $79. It will give you a print on demand option and lives weekly everything you need. Just hit on upgrade, then it will take you directly to payment section to buy a plan. Then you can easily import product from AliExpress to Zendrop. Then you can easily add it to your Shopify. Then after, if you are a beginner, just you can easily use the product on Zendrop by selecting which category first. Just for example, the accessory categories, and which supplies, all supplies, Zendrop US, Zendrop fulfillment, any supplies, or just select all suppliers. Then ship from, you can use the product shipped from US or shipped from China. If you are using Shopify on United States, I prefer to use ship from US, because then you will cut the low shipping cost. Then guys, for example, you select a random product, for example this product. So also this a drop shipping product. Then guys, after selecting the product that you want, just hit on the top, hit on add my product, then remove from my product, just go directly and reload the page, then go directly to my product on the left side. Then as you see guys, your product was added to your my product section on Zendrop. Then if you want to add this product to your Shopify store, just hit on review and publish. Then guys, now you can easily customize your product, review and publish. First, the product, you just need to add some tag, for example any tag that you want. Select which collection that you want to add this product. Description also, you can easily add some description. The variation guys, you can add some variation or remove shipping from United States or any other country. The image section, and the last, you can easily add or remove any image that you want. Then after customizing the product, just hit on publish to my store. Then hit on publish. Then it takes a few seconds guys to publish the product to your store. Then wait a few seconds guys, then automatically you will find the product on your Shopify store automatically. Then it will be active directly on your Shopify. Then wait a few seconds, then go back to your Shopify store guys and reload the page. Then go to your product section, then hit on product section on the left side. As you see guys, the product will be added automatically and successfully, and also it's active on your Shopify. Just view on online store. Then as you see guys, your product, it was added with the price and anything, and also the description, anything, by using the Zendrop website or application. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.